Hi guys, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. Right? So today I'll be showing us how to make use of Binance Pay to make payments. So this is my Binance homepage. You can see this is the homepage. So from the homepage, you just come to this icon here, this icon with the hand. So you click it. So I'm clicking it. So you can see Binance, you can see Pay, you can see Binance ID. So this is my Binance ID. You can either use the Pay ID. You can either use the Pay ID, the Binance Pay, or the persons you want to pay for commodity or anything you want to pay for, the person's email or phone number. In this way, you get to cut out any error using a USDT address or any address, any coin address. So this is it. You click on send. You click on send. Then you come here, you see we have email, new pay, you have email or phone. So if you want to use the person's email, you put his email or his phone number here. Then the Pay ID, you click here. If it is the Pay ID, you make sure you switch it to Pay ID. Then if it is the Binance ID, you make sure you switch it to what? Binance ID. Then you click on what? Continue. Right? So let me say I want to send to this person. Okay, now let me come to this. So this is email, this email or phone. Then let me say I want to send to email or phone. Right, so let's say you enter 1 USDT. Okay, so you click on continue. So this is what I want you to do. You confirm the person's what they call it, the person's address, the email. You have to confirm it here, the amount you want the person to receive, and the currency that you're sending in USDT. And once you click on confirm, the person gets what the money instantly. So this is easy to get, and the person nickname on Binance, you see it here also, so you don't go wrong using this method. Right? So this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. Like I said, what you need to do is that you need to take note of which payment method you're using, either the Binance ID, you switch to the Binance ID, or the Pay ID, or the email. I prefer using the email. Once again, home page, you come to this icon here, you click, then you come to send. So you use the email or phone, or if you're using a Pay ID, you switch to the Pay ID and this, then you continue and make payment. So thank you. Kindly subscribe to our channel, kindly like the videos and share to those who don't know how to use Binance Pay ID to make payment. Thank you.